Hey, we're known as the Supercharger shop here in Las Vegas, but really it should be the forced induction shop because I've got a set of the new Garrett PowerMax turbos that we're going to be throwing on a Ford Bronco we got outside. They've released these for most of the EcoBoost applications, including the Bronco 2.7, Ranger 2.7, and the Bronco Raptor and Ranger Raptor 3.0, as well as the 3.5 in the Ford Raptor and F-150 platforms. These are going to give you about 43% more flow through the turbine housing. It has a billet compressor wheel. This is some of the highest quality turbochargers on the market. Garrett is the OE turbo supplier for Ford, so these are a direct fit, easy to install, and they come fully assembled with new actuators. These flow 27% more CFM on the 2.7 liter applications, which is going to be good for about 640 wheel horsepower. On the 3.5, you can get over 700 wheel horsepower with proper tuning and supporting mods. Not only do we install these turbos here at Battleborn Off-Road, but we sell all the additional accessories and the tuning required to run them. These are 50 state legal, CARB approved, so no matter where you are, if you're worried about passing smog, these turbos have your back.